Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video, I'll try to show you what is the default graphics in the PUBG Mobile 1.6 APK in the OnePlus Nord 2 device. So just today only I did install friends 1.6 APK and I started to do a lot of testing in other phones as well. So in case if you want to know more details about this 1.6 APK, which phones are got updated with the 90 FPS, so make sure to follow one playlist. So which I did create for the playlist for all the 1.6 viewers who want to know information about other phones, which phones are actually supported with the 90 FPS, Snapdragon 870, Snapdragon 860 and all those phones. I'll try to definitely do the testing in depth. Let's see, in this testing we'll get to know about the OnePlus Nord 2, whether this phone was able to support this 90 FPS or not. Testing, that is what my main curiosity is about. And this playlist only I created only on the request of this few of my subscribers who did ask me to create, so it will be very easy for you to go through which phone has got update. So that makes really sense, right, to create a playlist. So it will be available in the top playlist only friends, so you can check that for more interesting videos. And in case if you want me to do any other testings and reviews, let me know in the comment section below. Definitely I'll do my best to post the review as soon as possible. And this is my first time opening this game in front of the camera, so even to be frank, even I am not sure what graphic settings we will be having in this 1.6 version in this Dimensity 1200. So it's going to be really interesting friends, and without using any kind of config file, no GFX file of course. And let me try to show you exactly the settings, what is available in the graphics option 1, 2, 3, and let's see. So I think there is no 90 FPS, I cannot get in anywhere, as you can see friends clearly at this moment. I cannot see any kind of 90 FPS, no. And the balanced ultra, still the balanced ultra is remaining HD ultra and HDR and ultra. So even we are not getting extreme as well, not yet in this PUBG 1.6 version. So the version which I'm trying to use is the 1.6 of course, and we are unable to get that 90 FPS working in this device, unfortunately friends. That's kind of small drawback I would say at this point. So in the upcoming videos, I'll definitely do the in-depth testing on this drop test as well, everything on this OnePlus Nord 2 device. So make sure to stay tuned for those videos in case if you're interested to know more details about this APK and everything. I'll make a separate video as well how to install this PUBG version which is 1.6 APK in your device. So in this way we'll be able to get to know whether what is happening, how it's going on with this phone. And right now GPU and the CPU usage you can see clearly, and FPS is remaining around 60 and 50, not bad. It was able to maintain kind of good. And let's see how much the FPS will be dropping. So this is just an FPS drop test and quick walkthrough over the default graphic settings what we're getting in the OnePlus Nord 2. Since a lot of users are actually waiting for this video, that is the reason I thought of uploading the video in very short. But definitely I'll try to do another video as well where I'll try to describe about the FPS drop test, how much the FPS is dropping in the PUBG version 1.6. so by using different maps and by downloading different maps. So just a basic drop test which I thought of doing and ending up this video. And overall, without using any kind of config file, no GFX tool, these are the default settings we are getting in this OnePlus Nord 2 with the PUBG version 1.6. So I need to try this PUBG version in other devices as well, as I said. So stay tuned for more updates. I'll be posting a lot of interesting videos so very soon. Right now FPS is dropping, you can see a little bit but not much. 57 and 58, the FPS dropped. Not a huge drop I would say in terms of FPS drop at this point. I'll try to do the in-depth testing as well on this PUBG APK, how it's going on, is any problems or not, issues with the FPS drop or not. So again I'll be back with the next interesting videos on the OnePlus Nord 2 testing, different drop test and everything, gameplay test review as well. So make sure to stay tuned for those videos in case if you're interested. So that's it friends, thank you for watching this video. This small video where I thought of covering all of these topics in one single video, which might be useful for a few of the users who are actually looking for this default graphic settings. That is the reason I did keep this video very short, not very lengthy one. So see you in the next video friends. I'll stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off, and don't forget to follow the playlists which are created for the PUBG version 1.6 viewers. So this will be really interesting to see how is all the phones are handling. See you in the next video. I'll stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off and bye. And there's no haptic feedbacks I'm not getting at this moment. That's it friends. Bye.